the package that almost got lost. Anna wanted to send a birthday gift to her cousin in another city. She went to an express delivery office near her home. The worker at the desk asked, "Do you want to send this by air or by ground?" Anna chose ground because it was cheaper. The worker gave her a form and said, "Please fill in the sender and receiver information." Anna wrote her name, phone number, and address carefully. She made sure to write the receiver's name, Lily Chen. She also wrote the full address, number 12, Green Street, room 304. The worker checked the form and said, "Don't forget the postal code." Anna added the postal code, 21001. Then she paid the fee and got a receipt with a tracking number. She felt happy and thought, "Lily will get this in 3 days." That same afternoon, a delivery driver named Mr. Wang picked up the package. He scanned it and put it in his van. The package went to a sorting center where machines read the address. A robot put it on a truck going to Nanjing. But something went wrong. The address was missing a word. It said Green Street, but not Nanjing. So the system sent it to another city with the same street name. Mr. Wang was supposed to deliver it, but he saw the mistake. He called the delivery center and said, "This package is going to the wrong city." The manager checked the tracking system and realized the error. They sent the package back and corrected the address. 2 days later, Mr. Wang finally delivered it to the right building. He rang the doorbell at room 304. Lily opened the door and said, "I've been waiting for this." Mr. Wang asked, "Please show your ID and sign here." Lily signed the tablet and wrote the time, 4:15 p.m. Mr. Wang smiled and said, "Have a nice day." Later, Lily called Anna and said, "I got the gift. Thank you." Anna was surprised and said, "But it's late. Was there a problem?" Lily told her about the address mistake. Anna learned that writing the full address clearly is very important. She also learned to double-check the postal code, and phone number. From then on, she always used a pen and wrote slowly when sending packages. She even added a note, "Please confirm the city before shipping." Mr. Wang remembered Anna's package because it taught him to check addresses too. Now, both Anna and Mr. Wang help others avoid delivery problems.
Building a home from the ground up. Lena had lived in the city for 10 years. She worked in an office, sitting all day. She felt tired even after sleeping. One day, she read a book about simple living. It showed people building houses with their hands. She dreamed of a quiet life in the countryside. She saved money for 2 years. Then, she bought a small piece of land on a hill. It had trees, a stream, and wide views. But there was no house, no electricity, no road. Lena said, "I will build my home myself." She started with a plan. She drew a small house with a big window. She wanted solar panels and a garden. But she had never built anything before. Her first wall fell down in the rain. The wood was too wet. She asked an old builder, Mr. Feng, for help. He came one morning with tools. "Start with strong foundations," he said. They dug deep into the earth. They laid stones and concrete. That wall did not move. Lena learned how to mix cement. She cut wood with a saw, slowly and carefully. Her hands got blisters, then calluses. Winter came early that year. Snow covered the ground for weeks. She could not work outside. But she used the time to read books on solar energy. She also made furniture from old boxes. In spring, she built the roof. She carried heavy tiles one by one. It took 3 weeks. Then she painted the walls white. Inside, she made a small kitchen. She found a second-hand stove at a market. She connected solar panels to a battery. The first night, a small light turned on. Lena smiled. Tears fell. She slept in the house for the first time. It was cold, but she felt proud. One problem came: water. The stream was far from the house. She needed pipes, but they were expensive. A neighbor Mrs. Lee, saw her struggle. Mrs. Lee's husband was a plumber. They helped lay a pipe from the stream. Now water flowed into a tank. Lena grew vegetables outside. She kept chickens for eggs. Children from the village visited her. They called her Sister Lena, who built a house. One day, a storm broke a window. Rain ruined part of the floor. Lena felt like giving up. But Mr. Fang said, "Every house has problems. Fix it and go on." She replaced the window with strong glass. She sealed the floor with oil. Months passed. Her house was finally complete. She invited friends from the city to visit. They were amazed. "No workers? You did this alone?" they asked. "Not alone," she said. "I had help from kind people." She wrote a blog about her journey. Many people read it. Some even came to learn from her. Now Lena teaches others how to build simple homes. She says, "A house is not just walls and a roof. It is peace, work, and heart."
The Dream of the Olympics. Maria lived in a small village near the mountains. She loved to run since she was a child. Every morning, she ran to school through the forest. Her legs were strong and her heart was fast. One day, a sports teacher visited her school. He saw Maria running and was surprised. "You could be a great athlete," he said. He gave her a pair of real running shoes. Maria trained every day after school. She practiced on dirt roads and hills. There were no proper tracks in her village, but she never gave up. After 1 year, she joined a local race. She won first place. A national coach saw her performance. He invited her to train at the city sports center. Maria was excited, but also scared. She had never lived away from home. Her parents said yes, but with one rule: study and train. In the city, everything was different. The training was harder than she thought. She had to wake up at 5 a.m. She ran 10 kilometers every morning. She did strength exercises in the afternoon. She studied in the evening. Sometimes she felt too tired to continue. One day, she fell and hurt her ankle. The doctor said she must rest for 6 weeks. She cried. She thought her dream was over. But her coach said rest is part of training. While healing, she watched videos of Olympic runners. She studied their style and speed. She also worked on her mental strength. She imagined herself running in the Olympics. After 6 weeks, she started training again. Slowly, she got stronger. 1 year later, there was a national competition. Maria ran her best race ever. She came in second place. That result qualified her for the Olympic team. She couldn't believe it. Her village celebrated with music and dancing. At the Olympics, she walked into the big stadium. Thousands of people cheered. She felt proud and nervous. In the first race, she finished fourth. She didn't win a medal, but she was close. Reporters asked her, "How do you feel?" She said, "This is only the beginning." After returning home, she kept training. She became a role model for young runners. She even started a small running club in her village. She told them, "Dream big, work hard, and never stop